Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and here we have to slide a little bit down to general category. Now we can find easily add watermark option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture to see how it looks like. Now let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo with watermark in the left corner at the bottom, HUAWEI Nova 9, auto intelligent quad camera. And of course when we don't need it we have to move back to camera, then to right corner settings, slide a little bit down to general category and tap to this button from the right to turn it off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.